Okay, this one.
Very
this
good.
one.
No,
When an ant dies,
Yeah, come on,
other
come on.
ants
Hold the
bury
pencil
it.
properly now.
I was choosing it.
Okay, come on.
When do the ants bury?
Okay, can you tell me what is this, Alex?
When do the ants bury?
Hair. Count them. One.
When?
Boy.
When do they do that? When do they bury?
Alex, count them again.
When an
Again.
ant dies.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, is it this one, or this one?
Very good.
This one.
Very good. Amazing.
Where?
Can you tell me what's this?
Balls.
Balls. Can you
Think.
count the balls?
1, 2, 3.
3. Is it this one, or this one?
Buried.
Boy.
Where are they buried?
Amazing.
Where are they buried?
What
Where?
is this, Alex? Looking at you.
Snake.
Snake. The snake will bite you.
1.
No. Count them. This one, or this one?
This one.
Amazing. Very good. What is this, Alex?
Cups.
Okay, how many cups, Alex?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Is it this one, or this one?
This one.
Amazing.
Very
Very good. Okay. What is this, Alex?
Where?
Stars.
Where are they
1,
buried?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Again, count again.
1, 2.
Don't write on it. 1. Again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, what will you circle? This one, or this one?
This one.
Oh, very good.
Very good boy.
Very good. It's very good.
Very
Good.
good.
Oh my God. What is this, Alex?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Count the umbrellas. 1.
What's this?
2, 3, 4.
Oh, what is it? Is it this
What's
one,
this?
or this one?
This one.
Very
What's
good. Thank you, Alex.
That's how I going.
Again.
Going.